Hello, this is Mitch King with the Monday evening, September 28, 2009 Daily Stock Report with Trade Stocks America. Looking at the Dow 30, had the rebound that we were looking for on that buy in the dip that we've been seeing for so many months now. And like I've been saying for some time, that this pattern will continue to be used until it stops working. And so now we're see the beginning of a rebound. This is, again, the easiest way for the massive population to make money, because there's not a whole lot of analysis or thinking involved. It's just basically a conditioned response to buy on the dip in any bull market or a bull run that we currently have. And for those of you who are new to the Daily Stock Report video, my pattern is to cover a lot of stocks quickly and take a snapshot view, and that's how I actually review stocks myself. So here's the NASDAQ Composite, almost up 2% today, with the S&P falling about 1.8%. So here's the long positions of some of the large cap stocks. Here's Pepsi. Goldman Sachs was up 1.7. Let's take a look at Prudential, up 6% today. Big move today. Makes sense to have a snapback rally considering the 8 or 9 down days that we've had. And the MetLife is going to look the same here, up 5.2%. I'm sure HIG is. It's not a stock that we have, but up 10.7%. Hartford is a lot more volatile of a stock than Prudential Metropolitan. Let's take a look at Starbucks, up another big day today, up 4%. FXI didn't move at all. And let's look at JP Morgan, up 2.6%. Google, Apple, up 2%. Agilent had a nice move, 1%, starting to move up off of that dip. And American Express, up 4% today. So you can see right there that the buy in the dip is clearly across the board working. It tends to work with the highest quality large cap stocks first. And that's what we look at for a wide variety of stocks to get a gauge on what's happening in the market. Here's a bull short that we've been short for several times in the last several weeks. Still on the way down. I'm looking for this stock to go below $6 and just watch it ongoing to see what a good point is to buy to cover that short position. This was a short that was stopped out on Friday. I put this on the report to consider shorting again. The solar stocks look like they're turning over. Looking at the other solar stocks, we're also short STP. And let's take a look at some other solar stocks that we're not short. CSIQ is Canadian Solar, SOLF, Solar Fund Power. So you're going to see across the board the handful of solar stocks are correcting, and that's a good sign for us, considering we're short 2 solar stocks. Estee Lauder moved up today. ABX is a gold stock that's not working well for us, but gold is a little tougher to trade in terms of technicals or technical indicators. FCX had a big day today, 3.4%. Let's take a look at the scalp on this one. This was a scalp today on the long side, and this is an intraday chart on a 3-minute 1 day of history. You can see that drop and the pop, which is the pattern, which is my favorite pattern for intraday scalping. So big move up today. Another short position, LNCR. Tandem starting to move up. Hardly moved. We need to see this break out, head up to 24 or maybe a little higher. This is a stock that we originally were posting as just a matter of days. It's kind of stalled the last several days. So when they stall like this, I get a little bit more of a red flag and start watching it closer, make sure stop losses are set, because if they fall apart, then you just want to be all over it and get out of it. So your stop losses should be doing that job for you. And a short position on CMED, CMED, is coming down nicely, and you like to see these shorts come down in a bullish market. That's a real good sign. So just to review, the market is responding to this pattern in the buy on the dip. We're looking for higher highs this week, we're watching for it. If it does occur, and when that does tend to go above that previous high, then we tend to get a pretty good acceleration like we did right here, and any time we go above the previous high. So if we drew a line here, and that's a real good pattern of a bullish market. So we're looking for this to continue for our long positions and continue to have selected short positions that are way overpriced stocks. So you guys know the routine. Put the odds in your favor, wait for the good ones, don't get leverage. We'll talk to you tomorrow night.